Okay, alright, hi and welcome back to our educators. So for today I want to continue with test yourself 6.3. I want to discuss question 1 only in this video, and in another one video I want to discuss question 2 and 3. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so question 1, 1a. Okay, give the meaning of the following terms. Okay, strong acid. Okay, so they ask you the meaning of strong acid, right? Okay, so you have to define the meaning correctly. Okay, so this is how I define. Okay, an acid that, okay, you can say dissolve or ionizes. It's better to use ionizes word because buku teks pun ionizes. Okay, strong means ionizes completely in water. Okay, so if your acid ionizes completely in water, it will produce what? To produce high concentration of hydrogen ions. Okay, so this is the words that should be there. Okay, later I will show you how does the answer scheme looks like. Okay, remember that there are keywords. Okay, there are keywords. Okay, how does the keywords? Okay, wait, I take this pen. Okay, if they say strong, then the keyword is completely. Okay, if they say weak, then the keyword is partially. Okay, if they say acid, the keyword is hydrogen ions. Okay, and if they say alkali, then the keyword is hydroxide ions. Okay, so I put a box. Okay, then keywords. Okay, done. So this is how the keywords should be. So if they say strong acid, yeah, they say strong acid, so your explanation should consist the word of completely. Yeah, we do have the word completely here. And they say strong acid produce hydrogen ions. Yeah, they produce high concentration of hydrogen ions. So another one keyword is high also lah. Okay, so I also should be there if it is a strong. So these are the three magic words: completely, oh yeah, water also, water, completely, water, high concentration of hydrogen ions. So if everything is there, then the answer scheme, if let's say I'm the marker, okay, so what I do, okay, wait, I show you how does the answer scheme looks like. Yeah, a strong acid is an acid that ionizes completely in water to produce high concentration of hydrogen ions. Yeah, correct, exactly same. So every single thing got that, I'll give the 1 mark to you. See, to get 1 mark also it's very challenging, but it requires dedication and perfection in your answer. So the answer should be perfect lah. Okay, next we move to question B. Okay, weak acid. Okay, so I write here. Okay, weak acid. Okay, what does the three magic words that I asked you to remember? Partially, water, low concentration of hydrogen ions. Then just write lah. An acid that ionizes partially in water to produce, okay, so it's a weak acid, so the thing is low lah, low concentration of, okay, this is an acid, right? So of course low concentration of hydrogen ions. So that's it. So where does the keywords ionizes partially, water, low concentration of hydrogen ions? That's it. That's the point that we would look for, give marks. Okay, so if I were the marker, all the answers ada, okay, dapat lah marks. Okay, next we move to question C. Okay, this is C. Okay, strong alkali. Okay, it's about strong. So if strong, what is the best friend? Ionizes completely, and this is an alkali, so it's going to produce hydroxide ion, and this is a strong alkali. So strong means high concentration or low concentration? High concentration. Then just write an alkali that, okay, it is strong, right? So ionizes completely or partially. Completely. Where? In water. So it ionizes completely in water to produce what? To produce, okay, it's still a strong alkali, right? So to produce high concentration of, is it hydrogen ion or hydroxide ions now? It is hydroxide ions. Hydroxide ions. So these are the answer. Okay, it's up to you whether you want to write hydroxide ions and put full stop, or you want to write high concentration of OH minus. It's just up to you, but I suggest you to spell out the thing so it's easier for you to recognize if any questions gave a statement hydroxide ion, so you know what is hydroxide ions in that way. Okay, so what are the keywords? Ionizes completely, water, produce high concentration of hydroxide ions. So these are the keywords. So if all these keywords were there, then we'll give you the third mark. Okay, so I want you, when you're answering this question, when you saw my video, to highlight as well. So put your highlighter beside you. Okay, and last one, weak alkali. Okay, it is about weak. So ionizes completely or partially. Partially in water. Produce high or low? Low. Produce low what? Low concentration of hydroxide ions. Then just write an alkali that ionizes partially in where? In water to produce low concentration of hydroxide ions. That's it. So these are your complete answer. So where does the points were calculated as marks? Ionizes partially, water, low concentration of hydroxide ions. So these are the points where we will see, and if all these points are there, then we would give you the marks lah. Okay, wait, I show you the answer scheme. Sorry. Okay, wait, I show you the answer scheme. Okay, let's see the last one. Weak alkali and alkali that ionizes partially, yeah, in water, correct, to produce low concentration of hydroxide ions. Just the same, everything is the same. So you have to see the answer scheme and remember the points. Okay, so basically your exam questions are set up by using your textbooks most of the time. So that's why it's very important for you to answer all your textbook questions. So I hope you're clear right now why I'm always asking you to do the textbooks exercises, but it's not enough actually. So you should polish up doing more exercises in the past year papers. Okay, so you are done for this definition question. So for those who want this note, you can text me in the Instagram or in my Telegram, so I'll give you these notes. Then in next video we are going to discuss question 2 and 3. Okay, wait, I close this tab. Okay, we're going to discuss question 2 and 3, which requires another one lengthy explanation, but it's okay, I will explain to you, and I want you to follow what I teach you in that 2 questions in your exams, because I can challenge you that this type of questions can for sure appear in your exam. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye.